So what does that mean? Okay, so I'm like essentially down to the $23 mark right now. So what I have to do is trade small until I can gain some breathing room. Once I gain some breathing room, then I can increase the risk. But until then, the size has to remain there, and I only have a limited amount of resources. And it took some of it from me. So, okay. And that took 250. So this is in a downtrend. So can't buy that. It's in a downtrend. So what does that mean? Boom, and then return down or something? Is that what it's planning on doing? Let's take a chance on this. $2 loss already. It's here. Trying to gain some breathing room. That thing is down 257. Mm-hmm. That looked pretty good. Ah. Let's see if I can bring this up. I might fail. Okay, so I'll take it. So now I'm up to 35. Okay. I'll keep at it. So maybe I can raise this to one lot and then raise this to half a lot. The volatility on this sucker is very, very high. So one lot should give me some room to be within this. So margin of error is small. So now it's coming back down. Okay, so what's going on with this? It's right there. So it's possible it could drop all the way down here. Okay, sure enough, it did that, but it could drop all the way down. Now this one is there. If I get to a plus 100, I could get to maybe 2 lots. 2 lots should be, each trade should be about 2 lots. So, gotta make sure, because I have a limited amount of tries, it means I have to be careful. So that's trending down. That one is on the other side, the opposite side. So what I like to do, see, is that it dips and then it'll start a green candle, then I can ride it up. That's the intent. This is somewhere in between this here and here, so it's here on its way down. Now it's moving sideways, toggling back and forth. This one's actually on the opposite on the spectrum because it's mostly inversely correlated. Goes up, now see it's inversely correlated. So if that's on the opposite end, what is going down will tend to stay down. What is going up will tend to stay up. But it did retrace here. We'll see what happens to the side to see what I do next. Okay, I have to conserve now. My dishwasher money has essentially been depleted buying these challenges. So, um, that's the US 30, and that's the US tech stock. Both are in the dumps. See right there. So now, if I see a green candle, then I can get in and then ride it up and hopefully make maybe 20 bucks. Okay, that's the idea. See how this thing is in a downtrend? That's why I had to wait when it was like holding right here. I had to wait and see what it does. It looked like it had to come back down in order to get back up. So I would conclude, now this going back here would be, I don't know, maybe 10 bucks, 15 bucks maybe, with half a lot. Could be expensive. Let's see what the next candle does. Now this is right there at the buy point. I'm thinking that could be a buy point right there, because that's where I bought it. Right there. And that turned out to be about 10 bucks. This time I doubled it, so if I buy it here, it goes up, that would be 20 bucks. Alright, I'll get in. So that would be right there. So for 3 bucks, that gives me 20, that'd be 60. Whoa. That's already 5. Give me another 10 bucks would be great. 10 to 20 would be great. May not immediately go up. If it does go up, there you go. 10 bucks. So I'm now at 45. So 55 more, I'll be at 100. So let's see what it does. See, it only went halfway. Oh, that could have been more right there. It only went halfway and it was 10 bucks because I'm trading one lot. See how it did that? It dropped. Now we'll see what happens to here. Then I can get in. Oh, that would have been another 10 bucks right there. Oh yeah. That would have been another 10 bucks. More than 10 bucks. If that was 10, that's... Oh yeah. So here, I need to see what it's going to do before it got back up there. It has a... It looks like it has a propensity... It's favoring going up. That green candle right there is showing signs that it might reverse. This could be one where I'm going to lose it. It did have a higher high, but it came down. That's a higher low. I can get in, and I could lose a bunch. But if it decides to go back up that way, right there, it's a half a lot. Most likely, I'll take the winnings here and dump it over here. If this thing hits there, I think it's about 10 bucks. Yep, look at that. 5 bucks already. Too early. Definitely too early. Too early. If this thing gets back here, I could get in. Again, looking for maybe another 10 bucks. I'll keep adding like that. The idea is to salvage this and make it and eventually get it to about 1,000 bucks, which is 10%. Actually, not even 10%. Just recovering, just the drawdown. Just recovering the drawdown. Just as I suspected. Okay. So we'll go here. We'll see. That's already down. Now we're in. We're in a losing streak here. We're in a losing streak. And it's possible I'm going to be losing it. So I could be losing it. Because I lost right there, $6. A little more and this count will be blown. Yep, blown. There you go, it's blown. Just like that. See, that was the right one. Dang. Blown account.